It will be the first visit of the President to Vietnam since he assumed office in 2022. And it will also be the first outbound state visit for the year.
Ito ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon na bibisita si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa Vietnam mula January 29 hanggang 30. Makakapulong ni Pangulong Marcos sina Vietnam President Vo Van Tung at Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh. Dalawang mahalagang kasunduan naman ang inaasahang malalagdaan sa pagbisita ni PBBM sa Vietnam. Kabilang na dito ang kasunduan ukol sa pagsusupply ng bigas.
The Department of Agriculture and their counterpart in Vietnam is working on an agreement that will ensure the continued supply of rice to the Philippines. They are setting some targets.
Isa rin ang maritime cooperation sa lalagdaan ng Pilipinas at Vietnam.
It's actually an agreement between the coast guards of both sides, and this is about capacity building. And they will be, as part of the agreement, they will discuss possible activities that they will conduct under this agreement.
Bukod rito, makikipagpulong rin si Pangulong Marcos sa business leaders at maging sa Filipino community. Ayon sa Department of Foreign Affairs, aabot sa 7,000 mga Pilipino ang nagtatrabaho at naninirahan sa Vietnam. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinaalagahan.